How to add Google reviews to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to display Google reviews in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So we're gonna use widget from elfsite.com. You can sign up for an account. After you sign up, you can click explore widgets here. And then you will find Google reviews here. You can click on it. And then as you can see, you can create widget for free. You can just click on it and now you can choose the style, the template. It's up to you. Maybe you want to simple like this or whatever you want. It's up to you. Or just simple like this. So it depends on your needs. So let's say I want to add maybe this one. So I'm gonna click continue. And then you can just, connect your source, your Google reviews, and then you can set it up something like this. You can choose the layout if you want. Maybe you want to change the layout. So I want to maybe this one or this one. It's up to you. So I'm gonna choose this one. Then you can set it up. You can customize everything here. You can just explore. After that you can just click add. And then this is the preview. So if you think it's good, you can just click publish here. And then you can pick a plan. I'm gonna choose the free one here. And then it's done. You will get the code here. Now you can just click copy. You can copy the code and then you can go to your Shopify admin dashboard and then navigate to the online store here. And then in the online store, you can click edit theme, click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. Now you can choose where you want to add the Google reviews. So let's say I want to add in this area. I'm gonna click add section in the template tab here. And then you can search custom and then click custom liquid. Now you can just paste the code here and then you can wait a few seconds until it appears in your website editor. And then it will be like this, it's perfect. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.